Now I can ride the Apollo. Yes! It's late in the day, and I came outside. I went down to the box. I said, why not, let's just try this again. I put the chain back on because I try to put it on the RM so I can make a video today and ride. It was too short since I took links out for the Apollo. So I put the chain back on the Apollo, put the wheel, tightened the chain up pretty tight, and I rode it a second, and it works. It don't pop off. I rode it through my trails, and it don't pop off, so we're good to go. Let's get to the GoPro footage. We're switching right now. I'm glad I came out here and thought about the Apollo. I'm out here riding now. It rained hard last night, so it's wet out here. Ain't gonna stop us though. I came out here with the lawnmower and cleared a little bit of this up. I don't know if you can tell. I miss this baby. Digging in. This thing climbs up straight uphill. I love that sound, 4-stroke. I'm telling you what, I do. Want to go test this baby, go climb up a hill? Alright, let's go. See that right over there? We'll go hill climb. Apollo 125 hill climb. That baby climbs. Oh yeah, this feels good. I was wanting to see if my friend's home, but he probably ain't. An owl just flew across. I missed it on the GoPro. But as you can see, that driveway up there, a dude owns it, and he rides dirt bike. There's trails all up in there. I came riding my bicycle one day down here, and I heard him out there in the woods on a 2-stroke, a YZ 250. And I sit right here and I waited for him to come out, and I talked to him a little bit. And I talked about riding with him sometime, and he said, yeah, that was cool. So maybe we'll do some riding back here with a YZ250. Who knows? A steeper hill climb. Yeah, look at that view. The mountain, my house, the road, my dirt bike, the Apollo. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. Woo, woo. This is awesome. Let's climb. I'm telling you what, this baby's got power. Woo! Power! Woo! Yeah. I miss this baby, I do. Truck. I think I scared him with my on the RM. It's like a race bike. You got to keep it in it's 2-stroke. You got to keep it in the high RPMs. This baby, you can just go real slow up anything. Like watch. So slow, and I made it right up. I like that. Still sick. I'm going so slow. Watch. Make it all the way up. Second gear. This baby would fly if it had 2 more gears. Mud, oh. Always slide out back there, almost. Go through the mud, the water, the creek. I'm flying on this thing. I miss it. Roost. Liked it, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button so you stay tuned for the videos coming on this Apollo. I got it back. I should have tightened it up. I should have had sense and tightened it up in the first place and seeing if it was what I thought it was. But she runs good. Got her muddy for the first time in months. And yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, smash the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. It's what you make it. I